In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record loan in Zoho Books. We'll create a dedicated liability account for the loan and then post a transfer so the movement is captured cleanly in your books. Start by heading to the accountant section in the left sidebar. From there, open the chart of accounts. This is where all your ledgers live, and adding a loan here ensures it's tracked as a liability rather than income. Create a new account. When the form opens, set the account type to Other Liability. This category is designed for amounts you owe, such as loans payable. Choosing the right type is important because it controls how the balance appears on your balance sheet. Give the account a clear, recognizable name. Something like loan account works well. If you manage multiple loans, consider including the lender or purpose in the name so you can distinguish them easily. Next, enter the account code. Use the numbering convention your organization follows. For example, many charts group long-term liabilities in a specific range. Consistency makes reporting and searching faster. Save the new account. With the liability created, you're ready to post the movement that ties your bank to this loan balance. Go to the plus icon at the top of Zoho Books and choose Bank Transfer. In Zoho, a bank transfer is a convenient way to move value between bank, cash, card, and other accounts, including liabilities, without routing it through income or expense. Select the relevant bank account and continue. This should be the account in which the loan activity is reflected. On the next screen, set the To Account field to the loan account you just created. This directs the transfer into the liability, so the books show that the amount is owed. Enter the amount for the loan principal you're recording. Take a moment to double check the figure against your statement or loan document. Accurate principal posting helps keep your balances clean and makes interest recognition easier later. If there's a memo or reference field available, a brief note, such as the loan reference or period, can help when you're reviewing transactions in the future. Finally, save the transfer. Zoho Books will update your bank and the loan liability accordingly, giving you a clear link between the cash movement and what you owe. That's it. You've created a proper liability account and recorded the transaction that ties it to your bank activity. As a best practice, review the chart of accounts to confirm the new balance appears under liabilities, and check the bank register to ensure the transfer is listed as expected. This sets you up for accurate reconciliations and clearer financial reporting going forward.